Yes, starting for today trip. So actually today is a good day. So starting for now we'll starting. So look at these places has to only for green area. So these are two red and red train. So actually these are fun, and this look into for these are always fun type. Okay, starting for train always. So look at this process. I invite all my friends and this along with my journey. So I welcome to my video everyone. Starting for the street. So actually start to looking for this area has to in journey for in these are traveling village areas. So these are to in 55 kilometers per hour. These are to engine power. So actually these are good, and these are this too much, and these are too very good. So actually these are to this passenger train is not a for good train. So always these are looking for this. Actually these are very beautiful train, and this. So this will look at this for enjoy my trip. So enjoy my journey, and so actually this is for running. Also look at the fast or very fast passing. So look at this for enjoy. Don't forget this send this video and to your friends and families. Don't for this video for liking. Please subscribe. So this train journey has passes to some very beautiful places. So look at the post areas have some good, and this actually is also very good. So first time I'm speaking for this is just for game, not for reality. These are for only for this, not a reality. These are just game. And if you look at 4 areas, this is the imagination for this area throughout. Was the good. This journey passes over through some very beautiful places. So look at this for in rural village area have a good this very beautiful areas and places as a frequent stations. This one by station is not a for and frequently. These are just for frequency areas as though look at the for this are in railway station. So this train look at this look at the forts very beautiful, and only for red color. Go too fast. Okay, fasting, moving. Okay, fast running. So look at the fast is slowly running. There was this anybody issues. So look at the 4. Okay, fast on. So actually these are so slowly for running. These are this kilometer, maximum kilometer. I am actually first time I am speaking, and tell this was I told him this speed of 55 kilometer maximum. So actually these are to me still this has to put at that was good for trip. Yes, fast on. Looking for this area is the studio for good mountainous places. Is the good. Okay, actually these are too slowly for running. Okay, starting for fast. So actually, but there are not people here. Is frequent is station between. So, but there are not for people is looking for these areas. Is the only for new areas. The train is a very scary, oldest train model is but it's actually is a new model, new train. That's model for this. So actually these are model is scary, but this is the train is can and run very fast. Look at the for this is the speed kilometer per 50 kilometer hour maximum kilometer, but these are slowly for running. So actually these are better than his passengers, heavy passengers. So that's the reasons maybe he's the slowly for running and better. Good this method. So actually these are moreover the engine is the train is very big engine. So actually is the front bogie is looking for here is the bogie here is standing for his areas. Then it's good area for but this back to back one by this engine here is the looking for these areas. Okay, fasting for 50 km per hour is the good areas for covering. Is the cutest areas. I just look for this very goodness areas. So fast is slowly for running. That's a better. This is a fun. This my video is a share and subscribe this channel. Please your friend and this video for sharing. My friends watching this video, don't forget to support me. My video is over, then train is became the get to the right places. So actually these are two right places has to go into in here, and this look at the 460 km/h. That's actually these are only for 60 km in this there is a right places. So that's is wait up in time is always thus coming. So this fast down, fast down, fast down. Fast down, fast down. Okay, actually these are too slowly for running. So reasons can be in these areas. So just look at the very scary these are train. It's not a for oldest train. It's just scary, but these are only for this model for scary. This this oldest model is the no for oldest is expiry for don't for expiring this train. This train is the new method is using for this or is the good train is or that better than this good areas. Moreover than this train is always come is good. So this cuteness for color is red color. So light for the red color is pure red. It better. Running fast, running again to running, go fast. So these are to look at this for this train is the coming to areas. So but little areas has the coming. Okay, starting off. But the fast goes too fast. So yeah, first time I'm speaking for this game, just for a game. This is not for realism. Is the imagination for this area always. So for this area has to be so same to be single area as the UK for this and foreign country has three areas, but all my friends along with my journey. Enjoy for my journey. Don't forget this lesson to video. Don't together to send this video your friend and families. So these are to this video for wind up in time. So actually these are to this train is the right places as coming, and this my video is over. The train is becoming the get to the right places, and see you this time is always at an place to look at this has to go area. So actually these are wind up in time. Please select these areas. So how to get into places. up down, right down, right down. So actually this R2 train has to break in between areas when time has come. And see you again tomorrow at the same time. Don't forget to support me. So actually good sleep. Thank you. Tomorrow watching. See you again. Good sleep. Thanks for this my video watching.